Hello, you guys, back here again with Good Vibes Entertainment. How are you guys doing? So, here now I'm gonna show you how to start your own YouTube channel. Here you go to your Firefox and you go to your youtube.com and you sign in with your Google account. And if you don't have one, don't worry, you can always create one. And I already have one in here, so I just click mine. Click my password, and there you go, it's already connected. Now you just you click the upright, make sure it have some logo on it. If you're new, it's like a little animated person, but here I already changed my symbol, and you can manage your channel from here. For now, start creating your content and growing your YouTube channel. So thank you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.